Want some chicken, son? Ready, Brady? Good boy. Good boy. A little bit of milk? Good boy. Okay, more chicken. More chicken. Ooh, very good. Take it off the fork. Good boy. A little bit of milk?
No, he only wants chicken.
This is your dream, Brady. This is a big piece.
You just swallowed it without chewing. Brady, what are you doing? Gross, he's drooling milk.
Get it off. You're not going to get it off.
Are you sure there's no bones? Gross. This is gross.
Come on, take it off the fork. Very good. Little bites. There you go. Alright, take your milk so you don't choke. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Look at all this stuff you have. Here, I'll let you eat it by yourself for a little bit.
I can't believe you're giving him that much. He's gonna throw up. Stop. That's enough, Brady. Good boy.
Yeah.
All done.
Okay, have your milk. Drink your milk. Milk. Milk.
Mm-mm.